Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Skidoo Idler Wheel is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for any snowmobile enthusiast looking to maintain optimal performance and longevity of their machine, ensuring that every ride through the powder is as smooth and powerful as the first, preventing costly breakdowns and keeping you on the trails where you belong. Number 5. Skidoo OEM Idler Wheel Kit, 8602012330. Introducing the Skidoo OEM Idler Wheel Kit. This essential upgrade is designed to enhance your snowmobile's performance on the trail. Experience a smoother ride with reduced drag and rolling resistance. It helps your snowmobile glide effortlessly over the snow. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need. You'll find 2 idler wheels, brackets, and all necessary hardware for a straightforward installation. Engineered for durability and performance, this kit ensures your snowmobile runs at its best. Trust in genuine OEM parts for optimal results. This part supersedes the previous part number 86020108. It's a direct replacement, ensuring compatibility and ease of integration with your existing setup. What we like. This option is designed to significantly reduce drag and rolling resistance, offering a smoother ride. It comes as a complete kit with wheels, brackets, and hardware, making installation straightforward. If you're looking for a hassle-free upgrade that enhances performance with minimal effort, this is the choice for you. What people say. This is a great replacement for my old worn-out idler wheel. The wheel spins smoothly and doesn't make any noise. It was easy to install and fit perfectly on my snowmobile. Number 4. Skidoo 141mm Idler Wheel. Introducing the Skidoo 141mm Idler Wheel, designed for optimal performance. This part ensures smooth operation for your snowmobile. This idler wheel is a direct replacement for prior part numbers, including 5031905577. It's engineered for a perfect fit. Crafted with durable materials, this wheel is built to withstand tough conditions. It provides reliable performance on every ride. Designed for MXC, Renegade, Summit, GTX, and GSX models. Please verify fitment for your specific snowmobile. This is a genuine Skidoo OEM part, ensuring the quality and reliability you expect. It's sold individually for your convenience. What we like. This part is a direct replacement for specific Skidoo models, ensuring a perfect fit. It's sold individually, which is ideal if you only need to replace a single worn-out wheel. If you know exactly which part number you need to replace and prefer to buy just one, this is your best bet. What people say. The idler wheel is made of a durable material that holds up well to rough terrain. Installation was straightforward, and the wheel fit perfectly onto my Skidoo. The design of the wheel allows for smooth operation, reducing vibration and noise. Number 3. Skidoo New OEM Black Wheel Cap. Introducing a brand new, genuine Skidoo wheel cap. This is the perfect replacement part to keep your vehicle looking its best. Finished in a classic black, this cap offers a clean and stylish look. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing setup. This is an OEM part, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. It's sold individually, so you can replace exactly what you need. The specific part number for this item is 5031927771. Please confirm this matches your requirements before purchasing. We always recommend verifying fitment for your specific model. This ensures you receive the correct part for your Skidoo. What we like. This is a genuine OEM black wheel cap, offering a clean aesthetic and protection for your idler wheel assembly. It's sold individually, perfect for replacing a lost or damaged cap. If you prioritize maintaining the original look and protecting your components with authentic parts, this is the one to get. What people say. The idler wheel is a direct replacement for the original. It is made of durable material that holds up well to abuse. The wheel spins freely and does not bind up. Number 2. Kimpex Idler Wheel Plastic for Skidoo. Crafted from high-quality plastic, this component is built to last. Its robust material ensures reliability for your snowmobile. Designed specifically to fit Skidoo models, you can trust its compatibility. It seamlessly integrates with your existing setup. With an outside diameter of 5.35 inches, it provides optimal performance. This size is engineered for efficient operation. Featuring a classic black color, it offers a sleek and understated look. It complements the aesthetics of your snowmobile. This is an ideal replacement part for your snowmobile's idler wheel. Ensure smooth rides with this dependable component. What we like. Constructed from durable plastic, this aftermarket option offers a robust solution for your Skidoo. Its design aims for broad compatibility with Skidoo models. If you're seeking a more budget-friendly alternative that still provides reliable performance and durability, this is a strong contender. What people say. The idler wheel is a direct fit and works perfectly. High-quality material and construction, it feels very durable. Installation was straightforward, and it improved the smoothness of the track. Number 1. Skidoo 147mm Black Idler Wheel. Introducing the Skidoo 147mm Black Idler Wheel, designed for optimal performance. This part ensures your snowmobile runs smoothly on any terrain. This idler wheel is a direct replacement for prior part number 5031911105. It offers a seamless fit for your compatible Skidoo model. Engineered for models like Freeride, GTX, MXC, and Renegade. It's built to withstand the demands of your adventurous rides. Crafted with durable materials, this black idler wheel is made to last. It provides reliable support for your snowmobile's track system. Please verify your specific snowmobile's fitment before purchasing. This ensures you receive the correct part for your Skidoo. What we like. Featuring a 147mm diameter and a sleek black finish, this idler wheel offers a substantial upgrade in size and appearance. It's designed to meet original equipment standards for quality and performance. If you're looking to potentially improve track handling or simply want a larger, high-quality black idler wheel for your specific Skidoo, consider this option. What people say. The idler wheel is a direct replacement for the original. It fits perfectly and functions as expected. The material seems durable and should last a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.